With these steps, you can use Adidas running app. This app is designed for you to do physical exercise and encourage you to play sports. If it's your first time with the app, do this. To download Runtastic to your mobile, go to Google Play or App Store and search for Runtastic. Install it as directed. Choose your email. In case the system asks you if you allow access to your location, click on Allow. Now you are inside the Runtastic application and you can start using it. Put your height and weight first. And let it continue. Activate your GPS. And go on and go. Try and click. Go to the Activity tab and click on the gear icon to select the sport you are going to practice from the wide range of activities offered by the app. Choose the soundtrack and select the type of training. In addition, you can also customize the values, connect a heart rate monitor, activate the voice trainer and active tracking, or set the countdown. Another step: if you see in this part of the options, you will see a yellow star. These are premium features that are not accessible to all users, so you can only use them if you sign up. Runtastic will record the parameters so you can track your performance. In the progress section you will find the history with all the sessions you have registered in Runtastic, and if you wish you can also enter training manually. In addition, you have the possibility to add objectives to motivate you. When you finish, then to edit, do this. First, select the activity you want to edit. All your activities are within the progress bar. At the top, in the right corner, click on the settings icon, the 3 dots. Select the Edit option. In this part of the screen you can edit the type of activity, date, start time, duration, distance and calories burned. Click the blue icon at the bottom right of the screen to save the changes. Finally, check the news section.